Hassle-free moving back to Korea from the US. Moving back to Korea is exciting, but preparing for it can feel overwhelming. With UCMOVING, your entire relocation process, from packing to customs clearance, is made simple. Lightbulb looking for discounts or promo codes? Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get the latest deals through community updates. Start your budget-friendly move with UCMOVING. Packing supplies delivered, boxes, labels, pouches, and more. Convenient pickup service, send your items right from your doorstep. Flexible drop-off option, no waiting needed, even on weekends. Smart customs clearance, submit your documents easily via smartphone. Real-time tracking, know where your shipment is at all times. Turn on notifications now to get special moving discounts. Book your stress-free return move with UCMOVING today.